Linking a bank account to your JP Morgan self-directed account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the JP Morgan website and log into your self-directed account using your username and password. Ensure you have your bank account information ready for the next steps. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details and confirm the linking process. Save your changes, and you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your JP Morgan self-directed account, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments.